Owning a truck today often means choosing between power and fuel efficiency. But what if you could have both? The 2025 Honda Ridgeline aims to rewrite the rules with its revolutionary hybrid powertrain. Is this the truck that finally combines compatibility with economy? Or is it just clever marketing? Let's find out if the new Ridgeline is truly a game changer or just another pretender in the pickup world. The pickup truck market has been crying out for innovation, and Honda seems to have answered with a thunderous roar. The 2025 Honda Ridgeline isn't just a facelift, it's a complete reimagining of what a modern truck can be. From its bold new design to its cutting-edge technology, this Ridgeline is poised to shake up the automotive industry. Let's start with what hits you first, the looks. The 2025 Ridgeline has undergone a significant design overhaul, and it's clear Honda's designers had their coffee that day. The front end is more aggressive with a bold grille. It's a far cry from the somewhat timid appearance of its predecessors. The body lines are sharper, giving the Ridgeline a more muscular stance. Honda has clearly put thought into aerodynamics, with subtle curves and creases that help reduce drag and improve fuel efficiency. One standout feature is the redesigned bed. Honda has retained the dual-action tailgate, a fan favorite, but they have improved on it. The bed is now deeper and wider, offering more cargo space without sacrificing the Ridgeline's compact footprint. And let's not forget the in-bed trunk, a feature that continues to set the Ridgeline apart from its competitors. Color options have been expanded too. Alongside classic choices like modern steel metallic and crystal black pearl, Honda has introduced some eye-catching new hues. The sonic gray pearl is particularly striking, giving the Ridgeline a premium, almost concept-like car appearance. Step inside the 2025 Ridgeline and you will find an interior that rivals many luxury SUVs. Honda has clearly taken cues from its upscale Acura division, with high-quality materials and impeccable fit and finish throughout the cabin. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a new 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system. It's not just larger than before, it's also more responsive and user-friendly. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, and they're now wireless, eliminating the need for cables cluttering up your center console. The 2025 Ridgeline also features a customizable digital instrument cluster, allowing drivers to prioritize the information they want to see. Whether you're more interested in fuel economy, off-road data, or navigation instructions, you can tailor the display to your preferences. Comfort-wise, the Ridgeline continues to excel. The seats are supportive yet plush, perfect for long drives. Rear passengers haven't been forgotten either, with enough legroom and their own climate controls. The cabin is remarkably quiet, thanks to improved insulation and active noise-canceling technology. One of the most impressive new features is the available head-up display. It projects key information onto the windshield, allowing drivers to keep their eyes on the road while still accessing important data. It's a feature typically found in luxury vehicles, and its inclusion in the Ridgeline speaks volume about Honda's commitment to advancing the pickup truck segment. Now let's talk about what's under the hood. The 2025 Ridgeline retains the tried-and-true 3.5-liter V6 engine, producing 280 horsepower and 262 foot-pound of torque. But don't let the familiar numbers fool you. Honda has made some significant tweaks to improve both performance and efficiency. The engine now features a new direct injection system and updated variable valve timing, resulting in improved fuel economy without sacrificing power. Early estimates suggest the 2025 Ridgeline could achieve up to 20 miles per gallon in the city and 26 miles per gallon on the highway. Impressive figures for a mid-sized truck. The 9-speed automatic transmission has also been refined, offering smoother shifts and better responsiveness. All-wheel drive continues to be standard across all trims, a feature that sets the Ridgeline apart from many of its competitors. The IVTM4 torque vectoring all-wheel drive system has been updated for 2025, offering even better traction in challenging conditions. It can send up to 70% of the engine's torque to the rear wheels and 100% of that to either the left or right rear wheel, ensuring optimal grip in various driving scenarios. One area where the Ridgeline has faced criticism in the past is its towing capacity. Honda has addressed this with the 2025 model, increasing the maximum towing capacity to 5,500 pounds, a 500-pound improvement over the previous generation. While it still falls short of some competitors, it's more than enough for most users' needs. The Ridgeline has always been more of an on-road warrior than an off-road beast, but Honda has made strides to improve its capabilities beyond the pavement. The TrailSport trim, introduced in the previous generation, gets even more off-road focused features in 2025. The TrailSport now comes with all-terrain tires and skid plates to protect vital components. The suspension has been tuned for better performance on rough terrain without sacrificing the Ridgeline's smooth on-road manners. A new off-road driving mode has been added to the intelligent traction management system. This mode adjusts throttle response, transmission shift points, and torque distribution to optimize performance on challenging surfaces. While it may not match the extreme off-road capabilities of some competitors, the 2025 Ridgeline is more than capable of handling weekend adventures and moderate trail riding. Honda has always been known for its clever innovations, and the 2025 Ridgeline is no exception. The in-bed trunk continues to be a standout feature, offering secure, weatherproof storage that doesn't compromise bed space. For 2025, Honda has made this trunk even more versatile with a new drainage system that allows it to be used as a cooler for tailgating or camping trips. The dual-action tailgate remains a key selling point. It can either drop down like a traditional tailgate or swing out to the side, providing easier access to the bed and in-bed trunk. This year, Honda has added a power release function, allowing you to open the tailgate with the push of a button, a handy feature when your hands are full. Another innovative feature is the new in-bed audio system. Using exciters to turn the bed walls into speakers, you can enjoy music without worrying about external speakers getting damaged. It's perfect for tailgating, camping, or just hanging out in the backyard. Safety has always been a priority for Honda, and the 2025 Ridgeline takes it to the next level. The Honda Sensing suite of driver assistance technologies comes standard on all trims, and it's been expanded and improved for 2025. The 2025 Ridgeline comes packed with an array of new safety features that set it apart from its predecessors. Traffic Jam Assist combines adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist to reduce drivers' fatigue in heavy traffic. The enhanced blind spot information system now includes haptic feedback in the steering wheel, alerting you if you signal to change lanes when a vehicle is detected in your blind spot. Rear Cross Traffic Alert warns you of approaching vehicles when backing out of a parking space, while the improved Forward Collision Warning system now includes pedestrian and cyclist detection, helping to prevent accidents in urban environments. The Driver Attention Monitor uses steering inputs to detect driver fatigue and suggests taking a break when needed. These advanced features, combined with the Ridgeline's already robust safety structure, make it one of the safest trucks on the road. It's no surprise that the 2025 model is expected to maintain its predecessor's excellent crash test ratings from both NHTSA and IIHS, further cementing its reputation as a leader in pickup truck safety. The 2025 Honda Ridgeline continues to offer a range of trim levels to suit different needs and budgets. While Honda hasn't released official pricing yet, we can make some educated guesses based on the current model and industry trends. Starting with the base sport trim, expect a price tag of around $42,000. This model includes all the essentials like the 9-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, and the full Honda Sensing Safety Suite. Moving up to the RTL trim, which should start around $45,000, you'll get leather trimmed seats, a power moonroof, and heated front seats. The TrailSport, with its enhanced off-road capabilities, is likely to come in about $47,500. At the top of the range, the Black Edition, with its unique styling elements and premium features like ventilated front seats and premium audio system, could push close to $50,000. While these prices might seem steep compared to some competitors, remember that the Ridgeline comes standard with all-wheel drive across all trims. When you factor that in, along with a high level of standard equipment, the Ridgeline starts to look like a pretty good value proposition. The company has made efforts to reduce the Ridgeline's overall environmental impact. The use of recycled materials has been increased in the interior and underbody components. Additionally, Honda has improved the manufacturing process to reduce waste and energy consumption. While it's not a full hybrid or electric vehicle, the 2025 Ridgeline represents a step in the right direction for pickup trucks. It proves that you can have capability and efficiency in the same package. One area where the Ridgeline has always excelled is in its on-road manners, and the 2025 model takes this to new heights. The unibody construction continues to provide a smoother, more car-like ride than traditional body-on-frame trucks. So, what do you think about the 2025 Honda Ridgeline? Is it the truck you've been waiting for, or do you think Honda still has room for improvement? Share your thoughts in the comments section, and don't forget to subscribe.